In tonight's feature story, we sit down with Jack Nicklaus. Jack Nicklaus just picked up his 6th Masters victory and has now totaled his majors to 18. At the age of 46, with this victory, Jack Nicklaus is now the oldest to ever win a major title. Magic Johnson shocked the world today, announcing his retirement from the NBA due to contracting the HIV virus. The 5-time NBA champion is now faced with his biggest challenge yet, a battle for his own life. For more on this story, this just in. NC State has shocked the college basketball world, upsetting Houston 54-52 in one of the most dramatic college basketball finishes you will ever see. For more, here's Eric Burns. Watch out, golf world. 21-year-old sensation Tiger Woods just dominated the field at Augusta and captured his first major and green jacket, winning by a margin of 12 strokes. Now let's go out to the field and see how dominant he truly is. This just in. The Seattle Seahawks are headed back to the Super Bowl after an extraordinary comeback and victory over Aaron Rodgers and the Green Bay Packers. For more, let's go out to the field.